I'm on a mission to help you create marketing videos that actually get watched. Today, I'm going to share with you my entire process from analyzing the data to creating the script to finalizing the video using CapCut. Let's go. Now, I'm a believer that short form vertical video content performs better than long form video content, which is why you've seen a big push for things like YouTube Shorts, Instagram Reels, even Facebook Reels, as well as TikTok, really taken off. Engagement is higher, reach is higher, retention is higher. So I wanted to make sure that my suppositions, if you would say, were accurate. So the first thing I did was I downloaded data from my own YouTube channel and put them into a CSV file and then uploaded them into Google Gemini 1.5 Pro. I then proceeded to ask, okay, which performs better? Long form videos, which are usually longer than 3 minutes, or short form, in this case 3 minutes or less, since YouTube now allows you to upload videos up to 3 minutes long. I wanted to have it identify trends and make recommendations. So as you can see, that's exactly what I'm typing in, and it's now analyzing that data. Now you might ask yourself, okay, why are you using Google Gemini 1.5 Pro? I know a lot of people out there use ChatGPT, and I also use ChatGPT as well, especially ChatGPT with Canvas, because one thing I like about Canvas is it basically puts all of your inputs and results into a document form. I use that to create my financial projections, my KPIs, basically my entire marketing plan or business plan to move forward. But I've been really impressed with Google Gemini 1.5 Pro because its capabilities have increased, and I'm finding that I really like the analysis and the output much better. As you can see, it is now going to analyze my data to find out what the average watch time was for shorts versus long form video, percentage of video viewed, and that's basically going to tell me, okay, which one is better for content creators or for businesses. So there you are. You have the results. It looked at short form videos as being 60 seconds or less and found that the average time viewed was about 11 seconds, whereas for the long form videos, about 194 seconds. As far as how much the video was actually watched, there was only about a 1% difference between long form and short form vertical videos. Now, next thing I wanted to do was I wanted to have Gemini take this data and create a monologue that I may use in the creation of a video to support the argument that businesses should be creating short form vertical videos as opposed to longer form videos. So I simply type that in the prompt, and that's what it's going to develop for me. Now, I will say this. I did have some other data that actually supported the use of short form vertical videos for higher retention rates, higher completion rates, higher engagement rates, but I did not put that into my prompt to have Google Gemini analyze that. So in my prompt, when asking for a monologue, I am saying use my data, but also draw data from other sources that will support the argument that vertical short form video just performs better than long form, because that's the point that I want to make in my marketing video. So now that it's created the entire monologue for me, my next step is to actually open up CapCut to use the script to create the video for me. So as you can see, I've logged into CapCut. I have the Pro version. And right here it says script the video. Now, it has a lot of choices for the types of videos that you would want to create. I just chose other. And then you can either type in what you want the video to be about and it will create a script for you. In my opinion, that hasn't worked so great. So I decided to go ahead and just copy and paste the script for myself. Once that is done, you now have a plethora of different voices that you can use for your video. Now, it was a little difficult for me to come up with the right one, but I eventually decided upon one that I actually think turned out working pretty well. So as you can see, there are a lot of choices and it all depends on the type of mood or your target audience in deciding which voice to go with. So since this was going to be promotional, I decided, and to much of my delight, on a promotional guy voice. Now, I was a little nervous about what this might sound like, but the end result, I think, turned out pretty good. So once you have that picked, just go ahead and have it generate the video and the script with the voice for you. Now, I decided to have it use its own stock videos so that it could save me time and I didn't have to go out and look for my own videos to put into here. And to be honest with you, I was pretty pleased with the content that it used in the creation of this video. All right, well, it's all done 100%. So I'm going to go ahead and open it up and see exactly what it created. As you can see in the orange, those are actually the subtitles. On the bottom track is actually the audio from the promotional guy. And the middle track is actually all of the stock footage that I put into my video. Let's have a listen.
In today's fast-paced digital world, capturing and holding your audience's attention is more challenging than ever. That's where short-form videos come in. As you dive into the world of YouTube and video marketing, you must understand the power of short, vertical videos. They're not just a trend, they're a game changer. Your own YouTube analytics data showed that shorter videos tend to have more views. The scatter plot of total views versus duration clearly illustrated this trend. This is backed up by research showing that the human attention span is dramatically decreased, now averaging just 8.5 seconds. To make the most of this short attention span, you need to make every second count. That's precisely what short-form videos do. Consider this. The significant 73% of consumers prefer to watch a short video to learn about a product or service. They're quick, engaging, and perfect for today's mobile-first world. And let's not forget the rise of vertical videos. With platforms like TikTok and Instagram Reels leading the way, vertical videos have become the go-to format for mobile viewing. Remember those top-performing videos you analyzed? The ones with titles like Captivating Remake, Reichsop Stay a While Recreated with AI Technology, and Beyond Imagination, Reichsop FT, Suzanne Sunfer, Oh Lover, AI Enhanced Animation. They were all under 60 seconds long. 9, the numbers don't lie. Short-form videos deliver incredible results. They boost engagement, increase brand awareness, and drive conversions. So, if you're looking to up your marketing game, it's time to embrace the power of short, vertical videos. Make every second count and watch your audience and your sales grow.
So I'd love to hear your comments and feedback on anything that I shared. And if you found this helpful at all, feel free to follow my YouTube channel at ARP Visuals, like, share, subscribe, And if there's anything you'd like me to give a tutorial about in the future, please leave that in the comments below. Thanks a lot. Bye.